Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic: the difference between a general computing machine and an embedded system. These two types of systems are all around us, from the computer you are watching this video on to the microwave in your kitchen. So, let's understand how they differ. Let's come to the first point: purpose. General computing machines are designed for general-purpose tasks, like browsing the internet, watching videos, or running software. On the other hand, embedded systems are built for a specific task, like controlling the temperature in a fridge or managing an ATM. Moving to the second point: flexibility. General computing machines are very flexible. You can install different types of software based on your need. But embedded systems have limited flexibility. They are usually fixed function and can't be easily reprogrammed. Now, the third point: user interaction. General computers have a full user interface, like keyboard, mouse, and a large display screen. Embedded systems often have minimal or no direct interface, maybe just a few buttons or an LED display. Coming to the fourth point: hardware complexity. General computing machines have complex and powerful hardware like multi-core processors and lots of memory. Embedded systems use simpler, efficient hardware because they only need to do one specific task. Now, the fifth point: operating system. General computers run full-featured OS like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Embedded systems may run a real-time operating system, RTOS, or even work without an OS. Next is the sixth point: power consumption. General computing machines consume more power, especially desktops and laptops. Embedded systems are usually optimized for low power usage, which is why they are used in battery-powered devices. And finally, examples. Examples of general computing machines include your PCs, laptops, and tablets. Examples of embedded systems are microwave ovens, smartwatches, washing machines, and car engine control units, ECUs. So that was the difference between general computing machines and embedded systems. I hope you found the explanation clear and helpful. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.